being able to hear from different alumni of color at this event and how it is to navigate different workplaces and find allies and companions that would be able to support me in my experiences.
The SOC's Office of Communication and Outreach and the AU Career Center brought SOC alumni back to campus to advise students on overcoming workplace inclusion barriers. The topics discussed throughout the day included imposter syndrome, balancing authenticity with professionalism, and finding or being an ally in the office.
One of the great takeaways from today's event, which was amazing by the way, is that learning how to be in the workplace. There are a lot of different things you experience, whether it's generational challenges, whether it's boundaries, or even understanding work culture. So knowing how to work with microaggressions, to be your authentic self, and to have that experience that hopefully lasts a lifetime to help you be successful. Most importantly, with your allies and also your advocates. So look for a mentor, be successful, and learn about your environment.
I honestly think it's super fulfilling to hear from alumni about the reality of the workplace, the good and the bad, especially as I'm about to venture into that area.
Attendees shared their experiences with each other and built confidence through small group discussions.
My big takeaway from this is I really loved the conversation about having allies and advocates and hearing that in a different way, in a different kind of twist. And the other conversation going on there about being your authentic self in the workplace. And for me, I've always been wondering how to navigate that dilemma of being authentic but showing different sides of yourself, differentiating that from your personal and your professional life. And it was good to hear all the different stories at the table.